The red fox is the largest of the true foxes and one of the most widely distributed members of the order Carnivora, being present across the entire northern hemisphere including most of North America, Europe and Asia, plus parts of North Africa. The typical coloration for red foxes is a reddish-brown coat, often referred to as the red phase. This coat can vary in shades of red, from bright orange red to dark brownish red. Some red foxes may have a silver phase, which is characterized by a silver-gray coat. This coloration is more prevalent in some regions and is a result of different genetic variations. Cross-phase foxes have a mixture of red and silver fur, often displaying a cross-like pattern on their back, hence the name. In some populations, red foxes may exhibit a black phase, with dark black or very dark brown fur. Black foxes are relatively rare. Albino red foxes are extremely rare, with a complete lack of pigmentation in their fur. They have white fur and pinkish eyes and nose. Red foxes are small to medium-sized mammals. They typically measure 45 to 65 cm in length, not including their 30 to 46 cm long bushy tail. Their weight can range from 3 to 6 kilograms. However, some individuals can be larger or smaller. Red foxes have a relatively small and pointed head with a narrow, elongated snout. Their eyes are well adapted for night vision, with specialized cells that enhance their ability to see in low light conditions. Red foxes have large, triangular-shaped ears that are highly mobile and can swivel to capture sounds from different directions. These ears are important for their excellent hearing, which helps them locate prey. They have sharp teeth, including canines for capturing and killing prey, and molars for grinding plant matter. Red foxes have slender and agile legs with sharp, non-retractable claws. These claws are useful for digging dens and capturing prey. Their front legs are shorter than their hind legs, giving them a slightly hunched appearance when standing. Red foxes are known for their long, bushy tails. The tail serves several purposes, including balance, communication, and as insulation during cold weather. Red foxes have a dense, soft fur coat that helps insulate them from cold temperatures. As mentioned earlier, the color of their fur can vary but is typically reddish-brown. Red foxes have a sleek and athletic body shape, which allows them to move swiftly and silently through various types of terrain. Their body shape is well suited for stalking and chasing prey. Red foxes are primarily crepuscular, which means they are most active during dawn and dusk. They are also known to be active during the night, making them predominantly nocturnal animals. They are generally solitary animals. They establish territories, and each adult fox typically has its own territory. The size of these territories can vary widely but is typically several square miles. Foxes are territorial and will defend their territories against intruders. Red foxes are known for their adaptability to a wide range of environments, including rural, suburban, and urban areas. They are opportunistic and can exploit a variety of food sources, which has contributed to their success as a species. Red foxes mark their territories with urine and feces, which helps communicate their presence and deter potential intruders. Their behavior can vary seasonally. For example, in the winter, they may form small family groups to conserve warmth and share resources, while in the breeding season, they may become more vocal and territorial. Red foxes produce a series of short, sharp barks that are often used as contact calls between individuals. These barks can serve to maintain contact with family members or other foxes in the area. Red foxes produce a series of short, sharp barks that are often used as contact calls between individuals. These barks can serve to maintain contact with family members or other foxes in the area. Red foxes produce a series of short, sharp barks that are often used as contact calls between individuals. These barks can serve to maintain contact with family members or other foxes in the area. Red foxes also make guttural, low-pitched sounds, which are used for a variety of purposes, including warning of danger or as aggressive vocalizations during conflicts. Growls and snarls are used as aggressive vocalizations in confrontations, either between rival foxes or as defensive responses to threats. Young foxes, known as kits or pups, often make chirping and whining sounds when communicating with their parents. These sounds can indicate hunger, discomfort, or playfulness. This is a soft, stuttering vocalization that can be used in friendly interactions, particularly between members of the same family or social group. Red foxes use a stalking and pouncing technique when hunting small mammals. They can also dig into the ground to reach burrowing prey, such as rodents. They are known for their ability to locate prey through a combination of acute hearing and an acute sense of smell. Red foxes are opportunistic hunters of birds. They may prey on ground-nesting birds, waterfowl, and game birds when they have the opportunity. Insects, especially larger insects like grasshoppers and beetles, are a part of their diet, particularly during the warmer months. They are also known to hunt rabbits and hares. In areas where fish are abundant, red foxes may catch and eat fish. They are known to wade into shallow water to catch fish or scavenge fish along the shoreline. Red foxes are scavengers and will consume carrion, which includes the remains of animals that have died of natural causes or roadkill. This scavenging behavior helps them take advantage of available food sources. Red foxes are not strictly carnivorous. They will also consume plant matter, such as fruits, berries, and vegetables, especially in the late summer and early autumn when these items are readily available. Red foxes may also prey on small game, such as frogs and other amphibians, reptiles, and even small invertebrates like worms and snails. Red foxes have a specific mating season, which typically occurs in late winter, from December to February. The exact timing can vary depending on the location and environmental conditions. During the mating season, adult red foxes form monogamous pairs, meaning they mate with one partner for the breeding season. These pairs are often referred to as mated pairs. Courtship behaviors include vocalizations, scent marking, and mutual grooming between the mated pair. The pair will work together to establish a territory and prepare a den for raising their young. After mating, the female has a gestation period of approximately 51 to 53 days before giving birth. The male often plays a role in providing food for the female during this time. The female gives birth to a litter of pups, which can range in size but typically consists of 3 to 6 pups. The pups are born blind, deaf, and completely dependent on their mother for care. The female provides milk and warmth for the pups in the den. The male often helps by bringing food to the female and the pups. Both parents are involved in caring for and protecting the young. As the pups grow, they transition from mother's milk to solid food. This process usually begins at around 4 to 5 weeks of age, and the pups start to eat regurgitated food brought by the parents. At around 5 to 7 weeks of age, the young foxes start to venture outside the den, becoming more independent. They continue to be supervised and cared for by the parents. The parents play a crucial role in teaching the young foxes hunting skills, social behavior, and the rules of survival. This training period is essential for the pup's development. As the young foxes reach maturity, they eventually disperse from their parents' territory and seek out their own territories. This dispersal typically occurs in the late summer or early autumn. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe for even more viewing pleasure. Don't forget, like and comment. Feel free to share.